Hello friends, it's Danny here, Danny's Dreams, and today is day 21 of my November 2023 Tag a Day series. So let's see what I used for today's tag. Today I used the Papery Ink Latte Love stamp set. Has such cute little critters and all kind of coffee or cocoa themed. I used the Sunny Studio Build-A-Tag 1 die. I used the Hot Cocoa Warm Hearts paper from Not Too Shabby. I used a white pen, and I used the Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen. Everything that I can find that's still in stock will be linked in the description box below. And here's my card for today. I also have to say this is the first time, if you saw my community tab, I just recently got a set of 320, I know I'm not going to say it right, but the Ohuhu Markers. I got the fine tip that on one side and has chisel on the other, but got the fine tip so I could use it in addition to my Copics. It's not replacing my Copics, I'm just using it in addition. So I did add like some details with those, and I have to say, I really, for the purpose that I bought them for, I am really enjoying it so far. Obviously, this is just the first image. We'll see as things go, but so far, so good. I get that little bear. Of course, there's the tag. I added some of that Spectrum Noir to the whipped cream, and then I did add some white dots because I'm running short of time, and I didn't really have time to do, like, I originally wanted to do stickles for the whipped cream, and I wanted to do glossy accents, but I ran out of time, so we worked with it. And look at that, I remembered my stamp. Oh, got something on there, sorry. And then can someone tell me, I have 2 great big baskets full of ribbon. Like, they're huge. And I've been collecting ribbon and twine and all that for years. Can someone tell me how in all of that I have absolutely positively no red ribbon? I am going to have to remedy that. Yeah. I looked and I searched and I have no red ribbon. I have like rickrack and I have some other stuff that's like red with a different pattern or whatever, but no straight red ribbon. I'm like, this is insane. Anyways, so I went with silver because there was some silver or like some grays in there, so I thought that worked out. Anyways, there's my tag for day 21. I will see you back here for day 22. Until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.